Welcome back, everybody. It is day 17 of our daily Red Heart patterns, and today is all shawls and wraps. So, if you're feeling chilly, this is just what you need. Let's take a look at our first pattern. So, the first pattern is the free softly striped crochet wrap pattern using Red Heart Super Saver brushed yarn. I'm going to open this up so we can take a better look. Okay, so I love the look of this pattern. It's really simple and probably very easy to make. It is listed as a skill level of easy, and it says flaunt the look of this easy crochet wrap from Red Heart Super Saver brushed. It just looks so easy and pretty, and it looks like a project that you could make while Netflixing. So to me, it's got that Netflix approval. That should really be a rating, don't you think, for patterns? Is it Netflix worthy? Yeah, really like this one a lot, and it really looks very warm, right? Doesn't it look like you could just wrap up in this, like if you're in an outside event, like maybe a school sporting event, or, maybe a campfire out in the backyard? Really love this one. Super pretty and comfy looking, and like I said, looks really easy. And of course, like all of the patterns in this series, it is a freebie. All right, let's take a look at our next free pattern by Red Heart. Okay, so this is the Red Heart Friendship Shawl, and if you're a fan of lavender, this would be great. If you're not a fan of lavender, Red Heart has lots of colors to choose from. Let's open it up. Okay, so like I said, Red Heart has lots of colors. It looks like they have it in two different colors right here. So they recommend to use Red Heart soft yarn, which I have used in the past before, and it is a beautiful yarn to work with. And like I said, they used it in lavender, but you could use it in any color you want. Like our first pattern, this is listed as easy. It's an easy level crochet pattern, and it might look tricky, but a lot of times these lacy stitches are a lot easier than they look. So I encourage you to give this a try. Don't be afraid. All right, let's take a look at our next pattern. All right, our next idea is called the Rapture crocheted shawl. And I love the silly name there, Rapture with a W. And we're just going to open it up and take a look. I think this looks super, super warm and cozy. So this says, wrap yourself in comfort with this crochet haul in Red Heart Evermore. So that's the yarn that they used. It looks really cozy, doesn't it? Especially when she's holding that cup of tea or cocoa or coffee. She looks really comfy, but it's nice and big, and I like that in a shawl. I keep a shawl in my desk at work for days when I'm chilly, and I like that I can wrap it around like a blanket, but it's not obviously as big as a blanket. It just makes me feel nice and warm and cozy. Yeah, really like this one a lot. Looks really easy too. All right, that was the Rapture crocheted shawl. Let's take a look at our next pattern. Okay, we have one left. This is called the Quick Weekend Shawl. And this just looks very elegant. It looks like something you would wear in the summertime or maybe spring or even in the early fall when it's not too cold out yet, but maybe a little chilly in the evening. Okay, so the note says, here comes the sun. So crochet a lighthearted shawl using Red Heart Luster Sheen. So that is the yarn that they used, the Luster Sheen. This is a little bit more difficult. This is listed as an intermediate level crochet pattern, but it looks like there's a lot of repeated rows. So once you get those repeats down, it's probably not so bad. I really love this trim here. I think that's really, really elegant and just super pretty. Very feminine. Yeah, so that is the Red Heart Quick Weekend Shawl. Not sure what they mean by quick weekend. Does that mean you can make it in a weekend? Or does that mean it's nice for a weekend that's going to go by too quick? Not really sure. Okay, so that's going to do it for day 17 of the 2023 Daily Red Heart Pattern series. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying making it, and I'll see you tomorrow for more free patterns from Red Heart. And don't forget, all of these pattern links are available in the description box below. You can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you right to my Pinterest board. I'll show you what it looks like. My Pinterest board looks like this, and then of course it's divided up into days. So you would click on the day that you're interested in, and then click on the actual picture, and it's going to take you right to that link that you can download for free. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.